Hello and welcome to Apex Ellis, my little gaming channel. I'm on World of Warships today, and we're going to do a ranked battle with the Hawke. Let's have a look, see what we've drawn. So we're on shards, and we've got a Paranga, a Vladistok. We've got myself in the Hawke. We've got a Chapeyev, we've got a Kagero, and we've got a Tashkent 39 on our side. On our position, we've got another Iparanga, a Massachusetts, a Vladistok, an Amalfi, a Hyosang Yang, and a Yudachi. So we've got a good variety there. Doesn't look like anyone's snuck in an aircraft carrier, which is nice. But that's our aircraft carriers, the better. Unless I don't think I'm wrong about the Iparanga. So yeah, both got sonar. Both got some nice torpedo destroyers by the look of it. The destroyer's got a radar. And yeah, we'll see how this one goes. It's good. AFK Kagero. GG. And we will head to A, I think. Yeah, we'll head to A. Obviously got the Brisk. Oh yeah, we've got Mr. Andrew Cunningham as our captain. So if we do get a couple of kills, we generate extra consumables. Must find any 40k enthusiasts out there. See if there is any today. If you see a destroyer, shoot at it. Nothing. Our Tashkent is living life on the edge. That's for sure. Do love how quick with the engine boost and the Brisk skill the Hawke can get to. Faster than some cruisers. So we're going to slow down because that is a very curious looking smoke screen, which can only mean one thing. Got a destroyer for company. We'll set fire to the Amalfi. I'm going to use the islands here for some cover. The Iparanga will eat a torpedo. we might do 2 if we're not careful. There's a nice little gap there. I think I've overturned. I have overturned. It's quite frustrating. But it's okay. We'll stop the flooding. He's now stuck going in a straight line. And he's dead. And we'll whack a heel on. Now somewhere is that destroyer. We do not want to really... there's some torpedoes. Ipiranga going too much of a straight line. Vladivostok giving us a beep, but I don't know why. He's about to get torped to oblivion. He's got in a straight line. Or has he slowed down quick enough? He has indeed. Just give the advice, won't bother hunting a destroyer when you're in a battleship. It's only really going to go one way. Is that found of Vladivostok? So we are now 3 battleships versus 2 destroyers in the battleship. I have no idea where the other battleship is for the enemy. And I apparently didn't angle enough there. Was the gamble worth it? We'll find out. Yeah, we got one torpedo off, that's alright. We'll take one. Oh no. Yeah, that was not the best move. Again, this is the problem when you're against destroyers, you don't know where they are when you're in a battleship. And it looks like it's also going to catch out the Iparanga. Yep. Looks like the Vladivostok will fall though. We'll keep watching for now, see if he can do it on his own. He's going to flip B. Unless they are just in there, are they? Oh, there's a load of torps. And I think that is the Vladivostok. Oof, no, he survives. I suppose because of course it does. So Russian ship. It says confidently double check. It is indeed. So look, the fact is we know that this is last reported position. Last reported position. We know that one of them's in A. It shows you how long it's been since we've seen them. He's just not really sure what else to say. We've put where the Vladivostok is just running to Cap C. And yeah, he'll capture the area if they don't stop him, and then he'll probably get torped again. Look at all those secondaries it has. Oh. Oh, there we go. Destroyers can see him. Send some shots to reset it. think losing our 2 destroyers was the key. All 3 battleships heading to one area probably wasn't the best move. Some mysterious looking smoke screen, but we'll see some torps in a second. Don't worry game, the battle will end way before 5 minutes. There's some torps. I just knew that obvious torps were going to be obvious. But that is the game over. And the destroyers won. Won it for them, really. And yeah, that's going to be it for that. So let's have a look at results. I can't lose a rank. Rank 9, I'm not very good at this game. So, not the worst. Obviously the Kagro was higher up. He sank 2 ships. I just shot down some planes, which means absolutely nothing. So that's it for this game. Don't forget to leave a like or comment. And obviously if you want more of watching me play really badly at all games, hit a subscribe and then you can feel better because you play games better than I do. Anyway, catch you all next time and have a safe time.